Can I call it space races?
We are Sex Bob-Omb! 1, 2, 3, 4!
Whatever. I'm going with space racism. We're gonna be going over the best Star Wars characters that aren't human. Not the best. These are just the ones I thought of. I can make a sequel to this. This is gonna be a quick video. Does that work? Anyway, first we're gonna talk about. So Watto is a character from the first movie. He's in the second movie too. He's in the first and second movie, Phantom Menace and Attack of the Clones. And he's a Toydarian. That's like his race. But he's a weird character, right? Because he has the ability to not be affected by Jedi stuff. Aside from like other Jedi. But he has this ability and he uses it. But then he gets tricked by something that's not a Jedi move. Like, he has every element to be like a powerful character and he's just like, nah. I give Watto a 7 out of 10 because he could be smarter, but that's not really something he can control. But he does have wings. So +1, 8 out of 10. Next, this is just gonna be a little intermission in right here, whatever, right here. There's just like these random drones that have, and I'm not talking clones. Let me make that clear. I don't mean clones. Because there's like a bunch, and like in the Clone Wars, there's a bunch of these clones who have personalities. No. Nay, nay. Nay, nay. Nay, nay. I mean like literal droids. Like with the funky heads and all that sort of stuff. I need a movie on these droids. Like just their day-to-day life. When they get, because also we saw it in the 4th movie, that when they die, they don't die. They just get thrown into a machine and reprocessed into a new dude. So for them, I will give 2 lightsabers out of 3. Third, we have Boss. Motherfucker is a gun. Okay, we covered him a bit in a video last month. Boss Nass is kind of cool, you know. He has that line, "Dunaboo, they think they're so smart." And that's really all I have in my notes about him. He's not a good leader. 4 out of 10 for a leader. 8 out of 10 as a person. Nay, 7 out of 10. Because he has let himself go. Sebulba. That was an interesting one. He has incredible riz. He did attach a flamethrower to his pod racer, and he was so good at pod racing that Watto would frequently bet against his own slave because he was just like, this Sebulba dude, too good. 9 out of 10. A little bit better than... No, we're gonna split that up. 5 out of 5 pod racer. 3 out of 5 for a dude. Just guys being dudes. Ewoks. Ewoks are just that Willow movie, but furry edition. Also, while researching for this video, I found out that they actually have an animated TV show about Ewoks. So that will become a video. Anyway, Ewoks, not a big fan, 5 out of 10. Or 1 out of 2. Next, we have Wookiees. Wookiees are underrated as hell, dude. They sacrificed their species for Yoda. Because they were like, this dude's tough. Goodbye. My chair doesn't recline any further. Just goes to here. Should I film the rest of the video like this? Oh yeah, apparently there's a Wookie Jedi, which I'm very eager to learn more. I might put that in my Ewok video. Okay, I'm done with this. Oh yeah, Wookiees, 9 out of 10, by the way. Forgot about that. Next, Greedo. So, when I was originally doing this, I was like, Greedo's kind of lame, you know? Greedo is literally just one of those katydid bugs. But after doing some soul searching, I realized that this man was the only person besides Darth Vader to fight both Anakin Skywalker and Han Solo. So he gets bonus points for that. Greedo, 7 out of 10. Respectable. Respectfully. That giant fucking thing from like episode 5. That thing with the little troll guy. I fuck with the troll guy. Here, play the clip. See that? See that big motherfucker? That dude, 3 out of 10. He relies on everyone else for his food. I don't even know his name. This is all just coming straight organically. I felt like I thought I was going to talk about this, but I kind of got sidetracked. That big guy, 2 out of 10. His caretaker, though, fucking 30 out of 1. 30 out of 1. Yeah, he's him, okay? Now for this next part, I need to show I'm serious. That's right. Different scenery. Nunb. Nunb is my favorite character, okay? He was an arms dealer on Alderaan. And then it blew up. Guess what he did? He said, don't worry about it. I'm a fighter pilot now. And then comes back the next movie and just is a pilot. He's just him. He's undoubtedly him. If there was a mob boss in, like a mafia guy in Star Wars, it's Nunb, okay? 10 out of 10.
And now, folks, it's time to say goodnight. We sincerely appreciate your patronage and hope we've succeeded in bringing you an enjoyable evening of entertainment. Please drive home carefully and come back again soon. Good night.